rates this morning and pretty flat along expected lines, although we've breached that 25,400 print. So I guess that is just the one takeaway. But it's listless for the globe, listless for us as well. It seems like that's going to be the temperament for the day. Let's check in, of course, on the newsmakers. We've been talking about ONGC as well as Oil India. Look out for what those stocks do in trade. They will just come up for you on your screens right now. Oil India holding up about 1.25%. Let's see what the move on ONGC is. That stock too should come up for you on your screens next, holding up about almost 0.5% as we speak right now. Other than that, of course, the temperament of the broader market as well seems pretty quiet. I don't see much of a dash even on the Nifty Bank, or for that matter, even the Nifty Midcap 100 index as well. Pretty quiet out there as well. There's, of course, news coming in on Torrent Power, like we highlighted. They've got the LOI, that's the letter of intent from the Maharashtra Discom for a 1500 megawatt pumped hydro storage project. So look out for that. Mankind Pharma, the board is going to be meeting on September 20th to consider fundraise. So look out for that stock as well. There's, of course, Reliance Power. They've settled that 3,872 crore rupee guarantee liability for Vidarbha Industries. So look out for what that stock as well does. And Reliance Infra, which is looking to settle dues about 385 crore rupees with Edelweiss ARC. These are a bunch of stocks which are in focus this morning. Other than that, of course, we've been talking about some of the other newsmakers as well. And there's Suraj Estates. That's another stock which is in focus. The bulk deal data indicates that LIC Mutual Fund and FlexiCap Fund particularly has bought about 2.83 lakh shares in there at about 758.89. Suraj Estate holding up 2.5% in trade. There's also NTPC, wherein the government has approved the exemption to NPCIL to invest more than 500 crore rupees. Remember, it's a JV company, Ashwini, with NTPC, and they're going to be taking up nuclear power generation. There's Infosys. The Metro Bank forges strategic collaboration with Infi to accelerate their digital transformation. Infi, though, down about 1.5% right now. LIC as well as Biocon. LIC has increased its shareholding in the shares of Biocon now to 4.98% from the earlier 4.98, I beg your pardon, to now 4.02. So 5 lakh shares were acquired on the 13th of September. There's REC as well. They've participated at the Reinvest 2024 Summit, and they've signed a non-binding MOU with the RE developers aggregating to about almost over 1 lakh crore rupees, which is going to be implemented over a period of 5 years. So a bunch of these stocks are in focus this morning. But Kunal, quiet day like we were talking about, nothing more than one can expect.
Yeah, nothing more than one can expect. The India VIX is still at 12.5, so which means that we could be looking at a much more subdued intraday swing or volatility for the indices. Over the last 3 days, the range has also gotten a lot more narrowed. In terms of opening trade, L&T is something which is looking attractive. Over the last 2-3 days, we've seen a 150 pointer recovery. So I think on the verge of a breakout at 3,700 mark.
All right, let's.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.